For professional traders, chart reading is considered an art form that makes money. Now, we're not talking about playing a saxophone on a street corner or painting watercolor landscapes. We're talking about buying and selling markets with precision. Now, knowing when to trade is the key to winning in the markets, and being able to read a pricing chart is a critical aspect of timing your trades. In this video, we're going to give you 4 essential principles to follow in your chart reading. Now, think of these 4 guidelines as your path out of the wilderness and into the land of opportunity.
The first principle is clarity. Now, on your price chart, the market structure should be visually obvious. There should be absolutely no guesswork. If you find yourself wondering what price action is doing, don't trade. The second is simplicity. The best charts are inherently simple. They aren't overloaded with indicators and tools. Keep things simple. Add only 2 or 3 indicators to your chart. There's power in the candles and price bars alone. Don't overcomplicate things. Number 3, consistency. You need to follow a structured process when you read a price chart. The time frame, the chart type, and technical methodology all need to be uniform. Now, our goal on price charts is to always compare apples to apples, especially when viewing patterns. And lastly, number 4, suitability. A chart is useless if it makes no sense. Find charts that work for you and your style of trading. If you're a scalper, you'll need short-term charts. Are you a swing trader? Then you're going to need longer-term charts. Candlestick trader? Then you're going to need candlestick charts. Our first essential principle is clarity. We want to make obvious trading decisions. We want our charts to show us the complete picture in as clear a fashion as possible. The great example, downtrend. We either sell or we try to buy a bottom, but it's right in front of us. We're not detectives, we're traders. There's no guesswork involved. Clarity is huge. Simplicity is our second essential tenet. You can see technical analysis. It's easy to put 50 indicators on your chart. You don't need to do that. We have 2 moving averages. That's what we'll base our decisions on here. Keep it simple. 2 or 3 indicators is plenty. Consistency is going to be your third essential tenet. You can see right here that if you're going to do any sort of technical analysis, you need to be consistent. For instance, Bollinger Bands. If you're going to trade using Bollinger Bands, you have to use Bollinger Bands to make all of your decisions. You can't just come in and put the McGinley dynamic on your chart and start crafting trading ideas based on that. You need to be consistent with your analytics or they mean nothing. Last is suitability. If you're going to be a candlestick pattern trader, for instance, you need to make sure you use Japanese candlestick charts. If you use a line chart, you'll see how the chart is absolutely useless. Make sure that your charts fit your methodology and style, or else you're not going to get the most out of your analysis. Here's a pro tip. Many successful traders look at multiple charts with different time frames simultaneously. This is called multiple time frame analysis. By doing so, they can identify areas of robust support and resistance, as well as obscure chart patterns. Check out the chart to your right. It looks complex. Don't be intimidated. It's simply a picture of the gold market on the 4-hour, 30-minute, and 5-minute time frames. That's all.
In decades past, charting was the wild west of market analysis. Traders had to plot price action with a pencil and graph paper. It was easy to make mistakes. A misread on price, some bad data, or sloppy penmanship cost thousands of dollars. Nowadays, things are much easier. Everything is automated. Anyone can use charts. All you have to do is stick to our 4 key principles: clarity, simplicity, consistency, and suitability. After that, take your game to the next level by incorporating multiple time frames into your analytics. If you do these things, you become an accomplished chartist and a profitable trader in no time flat.